Bonsoir, na bala lumière sur Aigre du Ciel TV. Et na kati ya pote na biso ya Aigre du Ciel. Ponte ya nzambe na bolingo nzambe. Asa biso grâce mkolelo encore ya koyamba moko ya basel na nzambe. Momemisa na basel na nzambe. Bien sûr, quand il n'y a pas de révélation, le peuple de Dieu est sans frein et il tombe. C'est pour cela Dieu révèle chaque moment, en tout moment, en chaque instant, la bonté na ye pona gloire na ye. Na kata pote na biso na moko ya basel na nzambe. Maman oyo nzambe salaka, maman oyo boyebi très bien. Aïe les sous au baïbete maman na biso blandi yo bomuniye ma blandi ali moko oyo ayaka na message ya nzambe ma blandi aye na fin de l'année a bien fait ya banda kala azalaki empêcher na makambe sengi za empêcher nango za ba réalité mais les jours que Dieu avait prévu le jour du et qui concrétisé et qui a concrétisé na makambo wana jour J yango ekwelelo na kata Noël na biso ma blandi aye encore une fois tout saluer présence et tout saluer présence il y a interprétation dans l'ombre tout le mingi ko la pambola yo aboya ko mona la méditation spéciale a ko mwana kaka mo ya bana otaka musika otaka na Norvège pour aller au musanya na katia Hollande mais précisément transit par Belgique yango ko aller tout kanga maloba mingi te ma blandi bonjour
papa
mais ko lebe mo tout monde se souté
oui moi ba empêchement et interprète pas à la occupé.
Depuis dernière séance, tu as dit que pasteur Bishop Blanchard, Kola Benirio, tu as dit que édition qui tourne à Bishop, analyse un message et cas et avec après ce caractère pour la émission, il y a une analyse avec donc effectivement, dans cette après émission, et quelque chose dans quatre yaba dans Zambie, à Ouattara Suisse, à la France, mais à Tina Hollande, on a quoi ça la musala aux allez important il y a ça analyse la révélation par rapport à écriture ma blandi oyembala na kati ya plateau na biso olingi so sangonini pour ya kapambate ou makapambate le problème de comment na Samuel soka bimi sekelika mo eligo lega na mboka kuna bakolo balobi yo ya kapambate ndenge be sekeli ya quelque chose yo ya kapambate yo pe ndenge ya kapambate ma blandi ko baliko kamonya mkono lelo na peso parole.
Merci pour la motuna papa Eva. Kaka ndenge olobi na ya kapamba te na ndenge ya ngamoko vraiment te ezalaka nde na lolenge ya nzambe ndenge ya konzelaka ngai yango wana omoni na yaka vraiment ndenge wana te mbala moko d'abord mpe na souhaite bato nyonso bazolanda biso mpo tokomi na basuka ya mbula bajoyeux Noël babonne année na bato nyonso to bazolanda biso et na ye lisusu kaka koloba oyo mokeli na nga na bino apesi ngai mpona lobela biso mokeli na ye yango nde na ye
mama oyo ayaka pamba te mama otoyebi très bien ndenge mokeli na ye apesi ye maloba.
This lady that we know doesn't come here for nothing. We know that God has sent her for something, that she has something to say.
Mama nkolo apesi nini na mokolo lelo na pesi yo parole.
You have the word, tell us what God has told you today.
Merci mingi papa Eva nzambwana amona yo.
Thank you papa Eva, may God bless you.
Nzambe apesi ngai nazali na 4 messages eza très important pour na libota ya nzambe.
I have 4 messages that are very important for the people of God.
Donc ba message wana message ya liboso na zwaki yango ezalaki banda na juillet.
On the message, the first message that I have, it was since July.
Message ya liboso na zwaki eza message etali mingi à propos ya ba médecin.
The first message that I want to talk about is mostly on the doctors.
Merci. Et kaka ndenge nalobaka nazalaki na kati ya attitude ya prière.
As always, I was in the prayer mood.
Après tant nazalaki na attitude ya prière na komaki deti nazokende na moma ya suka pona silisa.
By the end of my prayer,
alors nasantaki présence ya nzambe azolobela nga alobi tangu ya ngongo ya sokoluka kozonga présence na ye ekorenye na mokili mobimba.
And God, I could feel the presence of God, and God said, by the end, the presence of God will be everywhere in this world.
Et tellement ekozala makasi e monguna akosentir yango akozanga esika.
And since this presence of God will be highly, the devil will feel it as well and will feel bad about this.
Et akobanda ko se refuser na ba hôpital.
And he will be going to hospitals to refuse himself.
Tango na alobi na nga bongo mbala moko na yaki komona image ya écran.
When he said this, I could see an image.
Na moni écran télévision na télévision ezalaki journal ya news ya CNN.
And on the screen I could see the news, CNN news.
Na kati ya journal wana namonaki 8 médecins ya ba spécialistes.
And on the news I could see 8 doctors, specialists.
Ba médecins ba bazalaki koloba bazoloba bazo comprendre te. Soki mutu aza malade na kati ya hôpital.
And they were telling that they do not understand because every time people are sick in the hospitals.
Et soki même balingi ba opérer mutu balingi ba simba ye.
And even if when they're about to operate someone.
Et même dans nadu ba simbi ete mbala moko déjà mutu aza lisusu te. Mutu akufi déjà.
Even before them doing anything, the person will no longer be alive. The person will die right away.
Tant on a monaki image na la balobi bongo esili na eko mona siko bazo latisanga ba image ya ba hôpitaux différents.
And then when I heard this and could see this, all of a sudden I could see images of different hospitals.
Na monaki ba médecin baza à genoux ba fungoli Bible na Matthieu.
And I could see all the doctors on their knees with the Bible open on the Matthew.
Bazalaki vraiment ko lela ko supplier ko déclarer.
And I could see by the gestures they were crying and asking God and crying.
Alors Nzambe azalaki kolobela ngai boye.
And then by that time God was telling me this.
Nzambe ay kolobela ngai lobi makambo wana nazomona il faut ba médecin nyonso basala yango wana mokili.
And God told me what you're seeing now, doctors have to do this right now.
Parce que bakobanda ko sentir.
Because they will be feeling.
Baobana même komona image neti ya elili.
And they will even see some ombre.
Na kati ya ba hôpitaux.
In the hospitals.
Et tant ba omona image na soke le kinde ba banda ko yoka ba cri ya batu bazolela batu ba.
And when they will see this ombre, this shadow, they will hear people screaming.
Alors Nzambe alobela ka ndenge wana monguna ko se refuser na ba hôpitaux.
So God was telling this is how they will be going to hide in the hospitals.
Oui. Wana ezalaki message ya liboso na zwaki na juillet.
That's the first message that I got in July.
Oui. Après sikoyo tobandaki ko pusa na mwa mukeneti na suka ya août.
And then like by the end of August.
Navandaki na salon na nga na telemaki na lingina se déplacer.
And then I was about to do something in my living room.
Nzambe alobi na nga alobi na lingina lobela yo makambu ya bato bazali même sexe.
And he was telling me that I want to talk.
Nzambe alobi na nga alobi na lingina lobela yo makambu ya mabalo ezali ya même sexe.
God told me that I want to talk to you about marriage between the same sex.
Nakamwaki vraiment.
And I was amazed.
Ngabi o na bango pe.
And then I told God them also.
Alobi na nga oui nalingaka bango.
And then he said yes because I love them.
Nakipaki te alors nakendaki likambo na ngai na sala.
And then I went on with what I was doing.
Après quelques jours, environ 4 jours boye.
And then after almost 4 days.
Wana siko nazaki na attitude vraiment ya prière.
And then I was in my prayers.
Nazako prier propos ya nga moko.
I was praying for myself actually.
Mama ko Nzambe bandi kolobela ngai makambo ya.
And then all of a sudden God started telling me stuff again.
Alobi mabala nyonso tu o ezali ya même sexe.
And he said all the marriage and the commitment between the same sex.
Alobi parce que mabala ane zo sale masikoyo.
Because those commitment is happening now.
Ezali batu normal to bazo ya kobala bango.
And it's not normal people coming to commit themselves.
Alobi ezali ba démon en personne ba se déguiser batu baza kobala bango.
It's about demons that take place to marry those people.
Alobi il faut ba yeba yango.
They need to know this.
And
then by the end he said to me, tell them I love them. And then by the end he gave me a verse. And then he gave me the verse of Matthew 8:11 to 12.
Après tant on a assisté à prier parce qu'après ça na kata qui prier mbala on a continué qui le sous ba sujet à prier on a d'abord prier makamna.
And then I ended my prayer session.
Tant on a vendu na fungoli Bible na luka ba verset wana.
And then when I was about to read those Bible verses.
Non na assisté ko luka ba verset wana te na moni abandi ko lakisanga image na pays Afrique.
And then all of a sudden he started showing me another image in Africa.
Na moni une jeune femme atiaki mwana na sima na dona ya memaki mwana na sima.
I could see a young lady with the baby on her back.
Na moni moi ça na marché ezaki na marché moi ça ezaki na marché place abato ebele.
And this woman was in the middle of a market where there was a lot of people.
Na moni image na pembeni ya moi ça azomona image ya jugement.
And then I could see that this woman by her side she could herself see the judgment day. And then she thought maybe she was thinking it was her thinking, her mind. And then I could hear the voice of God. And then God told me, very soon I will use a lot of people to show them how the judgment day will be like.
Tanga sisi nanga koloba na ngai boy na ekomona susu image na pays Afrique ya jeune garçon mo kazala ki ba 9 à 10 ans boy.
And then after this scene I could see another scene with a young boy between 9 and 10.
Afanda ki na lopango moko boy afandi.
He was sitting in a compound.
Jeune petit garçon azala ikomona globe terrestre.
He could see the globe, the earth.
Na kati na wa azomona jugement.
And then inside you could see the judgment day.
Alobi ndeblo lenge boy na ko utiliser ba.
And he said this is how we're using people and showing them.
Après et aki kosela.
And then this was the end.
Message ya misa tuza message ya offrande.
The third message is about the offering.
Message wana ebandaki toyambaki mosali moko autaki libanda ya Hollande.
We were about to receive a man of God coming outside of this country.
Tant toyambaki alors tozaki na veillée zaki c'était un vendredi.
It was a session, a service in a Friday.
Et mosali ya Nzambe anazali na ministère Nzambe utilisaka e pour na délivrance.
And this man of God, God used him for the deliverance.
Oui. Alors tant tozaki na veillée de prière wana tobandaki ko prier tozo prier bateyaki muke tozaki mingi na attitude kaka ya prier tozaki mingi ko prier.
And we were with this man of God, we were praying and praying.
Tant tozo prier il y a eu un moment tosala ine to stopaki alobi to stopper.
And then after a while we were about to stop praying.
Alors mosala na lekaki liboso azaki micro abandaki kolobela makambu ya ko soutenir mosala ya Nzambe pona kopesa mbongo.
And then after this he went in front and started talking about how to help when it comes to God's work through money.
Alobi oya azame ango soki aye nango aya kopesa ya ko prier pona ye. Après na sima na ngai tangu na mona kibongo.
And after that when I saw this,
and
then I started telling myself in my heart,
Nzambe déjà utilisaka e mingi ya prière pona bat pourquoi zolo baya na mbongo bien sima prier.
And God, I was telling myself that God used this man of God. Why is he asking for money to come and pray again?
And
between this time, when I was asking myself and he was talking, he walked away from where he was standing. And then he went where people were sitting. And then I could feel the presence of God. And when I was trying to open my eyes, and he was already finished talking in the front, and I could see this image going all over again. And then I could see the same scene going backward again. I could see the whole thing repeating itself while he was already away from this scene. And when he was, I could see this scene repeat itself. I could see that there was an angel walking inside of the room with another person beside him.
And
this person was carrying with him a big bucket. And then when they came inside, they came toward in front of this man of God. While this man of God talking, I could hear the voice of God while he was talking through. And then God told me, inside this bucket, the person that will come offering, this man of God, even if this man of God prays or not, everything that people that are coming with the offering are going through, they will get solution. In any case,
ezala malade, ezala envoûtement, ezala problème mbongo, alobi nanga tangu kaka bakotia mbongo ekosalema automatique.
He said to me, any kind of problems that they are going through in their lives, once they do the offering, they will be automatically delivered from any type of things.
Parce que je sentais très fort vraiment la présence de Dieu.
I could really feel some other kind of presence of God. And then I had to force myself to open my eyes. And then I could see that between where I was sitting and the other part, there was a emptiness between.
Mabandi komona dans le vide kiti moko boye ezo kita kiti ane zalaki le club kiti oba wa bavanda.
And then all of a sudden I could see on the air there was a chair coming down like a kingly chair.
Na couronne dans le vide.
And I could see this chair coming with a crown on the top of it, but there was nobody sitting there, but I could see this chair coming down on air.
And
then all of a sudden when I turned to see, and I could see on the air, like on the roof, and I could see this eagle coming forward me, and it's as usual when I see something like this, it was as if it was coming to enter my body. And usually when God uses me, I feel like there is a spirit entering my body before I can give a message.
Mais cette fois on a monaki aigle na ndenga zala ko ya na vitesse wana esala inga vraiment somo parce que c'était la première fois na mona aigle azoya bongo.
And this time around when I could see this eagle coming, it was for me, I couldn't take it. It was too much.
Alors on a déplacé qui na kimaki type menya porte ya sortie.
And then I was almost running away.
And then
I was telling God, I'm not the one who came here to deliver people. I'm not the one. And then this was the end. Everything had stopped. And after about 1 month, this message about offering came back again. And this time around it was about the church where I go. It was at the end of the preaching. We were in the prayer section.
Na pembeni il y avait aussi une jeune femme ndeko moko atelemaki ya mwasi.
And I could on this time I could see the man of God standing, and beside him there was another person standing.
Na sena bango ezalaki panier.
And then on the feet there were a bucket.
And
then God started talking to me. And that was when we were actually in prayer section. And he told me, he said, you guys have to offer in this bucket. Because he's ready to bless people when it comes to money. And then he said other things that was private.
Troisième fois message qui s'est répété.
And then the message come back for the third time.
troisième fois ezalaki nazalaki invité na église moko na kati ya
The third
Rotterdam.
time was I was invited in a church here in Rotterdam.
Basisa ipe koteya.
And then the preaching was went by the end.
Après siko tobandi ko prier.
And then we start praying again.
Cette fois tant tobandi ko prier na moni nde kaka ezalaka koto orange na kati vide.
And then when we start praying, I could see ourselves in this room, like this part with separated with two range.
Normalement, panier offrande ezalaka na liboso.
Usually the bucket for offering it's in the front.
Mais nayaki komona mokeli yangana yo alakisaki nga panier ezalaki na katikati ya range panier moko ya mulai.
And then all of a sudden I could see that the bucket was all of a sudden in the middle of the two range where people are sitting.
Alobi na ngai boye.
And then he started talking to me.
Alobi na ngai panier wana nazomona.
And then God said, this bucket that you can see now,
Alingi apambola bana na Nzambe.
He wants to bless people. He wants to bless God's children. He wants to bless His children.
Pona mosolo.
For when it comes to money.
Liboso tango namonaki alobelaki nga pona likambo ya offrande.
The first time he spoke to me about offering,
O tozalaka na veye.
when we were in the other section of praying,
Ezalaki te pona veye wana to pona mosali yana.
it was not for this particular man of God or this particular section.
Aye koloba na nga tango pe namonaki na eklesi oyo nga nasambela.
And he said to me, the two first time that you saw this message about offering, where you
Ezalaki
prayed
pe te
as well,
pona eklesi ya na
it
ngai.
was not only for your church either.
Esiko ndenge na moni.
And this third time that you're seeing now,
Alingaki ngai na yeba
he
boye.
wants me to know this.
Ke alingi apambola bana na Nzambe bipai biso parce que bana na Nzambe bazali kolela mosolo.
And he wants to bless everyone, all children of God everywhere, because they're suffering and crying for money, for wealth.
Message ya suka na yaki kozwa.
And then the last message that I had gotten,
Ezaki pas longtemps na Novembre.
it's last month. It was last month.
Tozalaki na veillée de prière na.
We were in a praying section, in a night praying section.
Alors tant to bandai ko prier to koma ina suka.
And by the end of this praying section,
Mais komona bazola kisanga ngomba moko ya mulai ezaki ko éclater penza éclairage makasi.
and then I could all of a sudden see there was a mountain that was sparkling.
Mais komona présence ya homme de Dieu moko azalaka na Hollande te.
And then I could see a presence of one man of God that it doesn't stay here in Holland.
Azaki na attitude lokola mutu bauti ko benga le kaliboso po ateya.
And then it was as if he was called to come and preach.
Alors tant na yaki komona embala moko na bandi ko oka mungongo bo.
And then when I was seeing this person and I could see the voice of God saying,
Nzambe a préciserenga bien boye.
and God, he was precise on what he was saying.
Alobi basali nyoso ya Nzambe obayaka epai na yeko te obalukake na bosolo.
He said, all the man of God that come to her and preach in good heart, that preach in really like he's supposed to.
Alingaki bayeba yango liboso bakende na chair.
He wants them to know that before them go forward to preach,
Baumela kati na ye.
they have to take more time looking,
Na ba
searching God
Oui.
in prayers.
Après yaki kopesa nga verset ya Matthieu 10:20.
And then he gave me the verse in the Bible, Matthew 10:20.
Alobi tango na kopesa message o na uti koloba ya basali na Nzambe pona chair ndenge za na muselulu na pesa pe.
And he told me, when you were going to talk about this message about men of God and the slippery around, you have to give this verse.
Ba message na swati o na yaki.
And this is what I had to tell you about the message that I have gotten from God.
Merci Maman Nabiso Blandine.
Thank you so much, Mama Blandine.
Maman Blandine Poutou.
Mama Blandine Poutou.
Bokota na kati ya ba video ya Aigle du Ciel TV1.
Please go in and watch videos of Aigle du Ciel.
Bokomona ba message na ye oya pesa katango nyonso na kati ya plateau na biso ya Aigle du Ciel TV1.
And you guys will see all the message that she has already given before.
Asa mopayate.
She's not new.
Baina ini yare. Ndipo ni pesa message.
Ya
It's been almost 1 year. Almost 1 year and a few months.
Ina nango di pesa message na Aigle du Ciel.
Almost 1 year and a few months.
Azala bena contesté.
and he has always been taken with
Il
happiness.
dépend de la compréhension on attend et il attend convenable pour comprendre.
It
Le
depends
témoignage
on,
ils a ébélé.
it depends on everyone watching and on your understanding and your time, because we have a lot of different messages.
Tous les kamuki na Bible, tous zonga na kati ya plateau aigle du ciel. Wana tout na Bible na biso ma Blandine encore. Tout l'année message na bokebi nyonso.
Mama Blandine, we heard all the messages that you had to give.
A parler biso 4 points essentiels.
You spoke about 4 points that was very important.
Esprit de mort tout y a ba patient, mais y a ba docteur.
The spirit of death around the patients in the hospitals.
Problème y a ba homo,
The problem of homosexual.
likam ya offrande,
The problem about the offering,
pe ba pasteur.
and about man of God.
Likam ba ministre tant ko lobelango ba bazane sengo.
If we speak about the problem about the doctors and
Likam
the
ba
hospitals,
homo na ba médecin, surtout lobeli yango tout le monde tout ça pour le moko.
if we talk about the homosexual and doctors, we will all be understanding this.
Vous excusez nga ba dégrama les makasi, malgré tout na chauffage mais côté pe moto mingité na ta salle ça kapeki to côté moi gorge bikaka. Mais likam ya offrande maman na monyo lobi belé ou mene kam offrande.
Mama, I could hear that about the offering. You really took your time.
Soki kam offrande comme ko lobeli yango na ndenge sengeli to kabwa to comme deux poules différents.
If we talk about offering, probably people will take their own way.
Mituneza idée ba teza ga bango ba mituneza ya biso en tant que partie civile to décortiquer bel kama na muzino na yango.
I would like to go in deepness for on this.
Pour la suite ya ta to kusimba ngo mingi te.
Comparing to the time, we will not really talk too much about it.
Ko regard ko glisser ko selumuka liboso ko ke na che eza ba mibandi lelo te. Ko lobeli pe yango.
When it comes to the man of God and the slippery around where they preach, it's not new.
Mama, siko pona esprit de mort tout autour ya ba médecin.
But when
simba mutu mutakufi.
But let's talk a little bit about the spirit of death and about the doctors and everything like that.
Siko biso to sala nini sika wana. Biso ba nzambe, biso libota nzambe, biso bikila nzambe, to sala nini likabwana.
What can we do? Do you have an idea maybe you have something to tell us what we can do?
Merci pour la mutuna papa Eva.
Thank you for the question, Papa Eva.
Nzambe alobaki na ngai bato ba kosala réaction na place wana eza ba médecin parce que ba kosala ba prière ya autorité, bazwa autorité.
Maman médecin mu pagan. Médecin païen. Non, on arrive en basolo. Médecin ça na ye mu pagan. Ba mingi ba atiba mama osambela te. Bazana banzana wakina oto iba malamu. Ba sala nini sikana. On ya be ba médecin chrétien to médecin païen.
Nzambe alobi ba salela yango.
Ba salela wudo.
Parce que soki ba saleli yango te na souhaité te, je sais pas. Mais alobi na ngana na loba ba prier. Na mona ki tango bazo prier ba fungoli Bible na livre ya Matthieu. Bazo prier, bazo supplier, donc bazo comprendre te. Bazo ki ko lela yango na kati ya prier, mais nzamba alobi ba sala ba prière nde ya autorité.
And the only thing that we can do is to keep on praying, and that's what I could see. God showed me that the doctors were in prayers, and that's what God is asking them to do.
Tous les personnes qui sont médecins, ba pasteur bo thérapie ba médecin, ba yambaka Yesu, ba na bunzambe pour aider ba milimo na nzambe.
What is important now is that we beg our pastors to talk to the doctors so that they will have God's help when it comes to taking care of the patients.
Donc na kotala yo za na ndoka malade. Ta ko mena hôpital, yo nde bondela ne sika ya munganga na po munganga ko na. To éviter ce que na état nini, mais yo ne mo malade hôpital. Bondela pour malade na yo pour esprit de moi tout hôpital wana. Ebola ye mo kreke zende, ebola ketchengité, ebola kabilité pour que ça la somme mukula na peso malo.
What is important here is that people who brings their family members to hospitals, they need to be in prayers. They need to pray because you don't know what spirit is taking over in those hospitals. For us to get away from this, we need to be in prayers.
Toli pona minga ngayangwana, toli ki mama dikanga ba omo. Nzamba lingi ba ngona.
let's talk about homosexuality because you said that God loves them.
likambo oyo ba homo eza mopepe oyo ekoti makasi mabi na ntango ya Sodome et Gomorrhe ezalaka mpe lolenge wana oyo eleki na ntango ya Sodome et Gomorrhe ekozonga mpe na ntango ya soki ava boye ya mwana na Nzambe.
And when it comes to this thing, it already happened before, and we know how it ended.
Nango to koy mama eyabi eza maladie remplaçant d'un esprit kat na bango c'est tout à fait normal ko to sala bango délivrance en distance to kala bango na maketo to te ya bango on peut se dikantine sikana yo ndo matoko kende ko zoya.
And when it comes to this problem, sister, what can we do? Because God said that it's as a sickness. So what can we do for their deliverance? Should we pray for the deliverance from far? Should we bring them by force? Or what can we do for their deliverance?
Merci pour la motuna papa Eva.
Thank you for the question. When I heard this message and God told me this,
alobi to sunga bango ba ekolobela nga alobi alingi ba yeba ke ba mariage oyo bazo sala siko eza batu normal te eza ba démon en personne, c'est-à-dire eza makambo moko spirituel.
This is very spiritual, and he was saying that it's not even them acting in this, it's the devils that are acting and taking over, so it's spiritual.
Et comme déjà na lobi yango oyo bakoyoka,
and since I have said this, and to you that are listening to this,
la seule chose bakoko sala seulement ko prier.
The only thing we can do together is just to keep on praying for them.
Et même na biso oyo nzamba lobi to sunga bango.
And even to us, everyone, we just should keep praying for them.
Vraiment to sunga bango eza malade eza ba démon ko feta bango oui. Et makambu tout il y a un esprit qui est derrière et loko wana pour la convoquer bango. Basai na Nzambe. Bino batana nguya. Batana mabondeli. Mama Chantal Joa Baptiste. Yoko travaux de temps na ba prier temps so corps ya Christ mama na so China elongo mba ko ta bondeli pona ko bondela pona ban obengo ko ba homo no ba koti milimo wana ko dégager yango pe comme na bana sote mama na biso ya 5 ministres na Dena mama Blandine yo do sambo tango so na 0 to pe makate 0 ngwangwa 6 ngongongo 12 ngingingi bo kota ba bondeli évangéliste kati to pe makate boza ebele évangile c'est passé pongo chaque mercredi tu peux m'arrêter boza ebele lisa mulai ngolongo na net bo sambela pona milimo wana ya mwasi mobali ela na dote mama ni mola kuna po bayoka yango pe bati ba ngombe ingelese.
The most important thing is that we all need to pray for those people. So everyone, all the pastors, all the evangelists, everyone, we need to pray for those people so that they can be delivered from those spirits or those demons.
Papa na biso Jean-Marie Mvwem oza na église monene na Dena chauffeur bon de likuna milimo wana ekote la bana sote ekote bango ele kapena ko bima.
Please, I ask Papa Jean-Marie to pray for those people so that whoever the devil is using with this spirit can come out.
Wana eki message pour na ba homo si je ose to simbi yango ya tango modai pona suite ata joyeux Noël vraiment tant eza moké likamba homo eza ko simba bombe o eza ma sécurité keba eza ko ko sema kama ya bata manzamba ba na leso mbangu mama yonde bondela expliquer papa nkolo kuna bena so salenge masolo wana ba yido
parce que na kimi kombo na moya yuzu ko détailler
frère kombo ya moya tout ça quoi français parfois interpréter.
Mama Blandine, you should keep on praying for those who are taken over by the spirit of homosexuality. Please ask God to help them.
Oui.
Nzambe apesi message na po alobi alingaka bango, c'est-à-dire tolobi likamwa malamu. Nzambe alobi alingaka bango.
Maman connaît pécaté, ça c'est l'amour de Dieu et ban amour de Dieu. C'est quand on a profondeur amour de Dieu.
Non, déranger, c'est parce que alobi balingaka bango.
Ça c'est l'amour de Dieu. Dieu aime tout le monde.
Amen.
Ndenge mwe ma pona bata malamu na bata mabe, bolonza pesa likona bango mais bato ba tena milimo oyo ba signe temps de la fin.
The love of God is covering everything. The love of God is amazing. So God loves them surely, but we can still see the sign of the end of the time.
Mais maman likambo za wana.
The big problem in this.
Esengi ba prière ko ya ba evangeliste d'accroche na mission apesi la formation na kata ba disciple là
It's a very serious problem, serious theme. So we really need to go into prayers. We cannot ignore this. We cannot ignore this. Let's go back to offering.
Église, salle, assistance, dérangement pour la salle oya solo. Vous soutien pour
for the true man of God, for the true man of God that are in need of help, we all need to give some offering to help them move forward and to help the work of God move forward.
Bino pe peuple et baé bino. Il ingi subino te pasteur. Pour vous décevoir bango mingi. Mais ba sala nzamba solo tosunga bango.
But even though the people of God are tired and over everybody asking for offering, but for the true man of God, we need to support them.
Trois fois.
Une fois. Une fois. Mais le sambo église trois fois.
Le sambo, l'offrande, trois fois est différent église. Et moi je pensais que ça qui pour na église na mena suka nzamba lobi za pour na église, za pour na bana nyonso na nzambe na mokili mumba. Alinga pambola bango pour na mosolo, bazonela mosolo mingi ezo sale passe.
So this message, I got it 3 times, and it's because God was, at first I thought it was only for the churches where I was going by that time when I was getting those messages. But God come again and told me, he said, it's for everyone because he wants to bless his children because they are crying out for money.
Vraiment, on a commentaire au chat, mais c'est trop clair. Ma pasteur beau produit pour fruit bien, ma pâte pour canapé ma bogoté.
That's one of the things, and I will ask all the pastors to help the children of God so that they will give easily.
Disons, excuse. Couper sa pâte, la volonté, retour à comportement à pasteur, ils ont dégradé ma sala baninga, yango ile kumi confusion nzambe ku akita à cette intervention, mais tika nkolo asonga libota na ye.
We know that there are some pastors that are making it too much for the children of God, but we know also that there are true pastors out there that can preach and do the work of God properly so that people of God will give the offering freely for them to receive the blessings of God.
Tous les messages pour na ba pasteur, baza ko expliquer très bien le message ko kende liboso ya cher ko silmuka. En résumé, la salle nzambe ya solo, dose na bina ya prière kiti par rapport à preuve boki ko kuta na ngoli boso, donc il faut augmenter ma prière na bino.
For the true man of God, it looks like your level of prayers has gotten down. Before you guys go in front and preach people, you need to go back to your prayers and so that you will come back to the level where you need for the slippery space.
Bon là est important. Vous bien très bien, ndé ko sa tamingi na masongi songi na téléphone té, na ma critique na téléphone té, na ben internet amikete, bo bonde la ndé. Tant internet on a beaucoup télé ba prévo bonde la pona biso, ma mbeke le malam.
You guys should take more time in the prayer section, take your time in looking for God, and instead of using your time on talking on the phone, going inside of internet and stuff like that, you need to go back in prayers. Pray for us, pray for us.
Beaucoup ma trop tokos, oga tokos, basala nzambe, bona boy. Moi moitié fotu no musanza me tokos. Chibo waka tokolilo basala nzambe. Bo bondela, balo yibo bondela ngaite. Moi na bina prier mdela makambo la nganga eglise, nganga nzo poser la question.
You guys, nowadays, you only talk about talk us. You need to go back in prayers. This is the message from God. You
talk us in English. Good.
Good. Talk us in English, meaning goodies. Good. Goodies. Exactly. Goodies. You guys need to go back in prayers because God is asking for it.
Et puis, Mama Blandi, basala nzeba koma na technique mogo.
And Mama Blandine, the servant of God, they have a technique now. They don't go into their own Facebook anymore. They were saying that they don't
Mais
take their
Facebook
time
moi
in
non
this.
il y a côté sur Facebook à moi.
And then they use the Facebook, their children's Facebook
Il y a
to
obladi il y a côté na mo.
so it's as if you were using your son's
Facebook
Facebook.
té.
And then you would tell everybody you don't have it.
À la loupe na maison de Facebook.
You're even more informed than anybody else.
Facebook il y a obladi.
It's like you're using the Facebook
Il y a
of your
d'ici
son,
là il y a côté na mo.
the Facebook of your daughter.
Akepe kuna tokos.
And then you go there with your tacos goodies
O tokolilo.
and goodies.
Parce la dame beaucoup te babondeli, muselu que c'est la TV tout ya share.
Please, I ask all the people of God or the servants of God that
Tellement
go back
besoin
into
de la
prayers.
té. Tellement besoin de la té.
Since you guys are not praying that much,
Église comme la maman modératrice. Maman modératrice.
the church nowadays you will see
Papa-
that the
papa
father
prédicateur.
is the preacher, the
Bana
mom,
ba clavis na église.
and then you will
Never
see
miss
like
on
it's a family. It will be a family affair.
Donc c'est ça aussi mon gars.
And
Monsieur
this is
Rachel.
also about the slippery. This is the
Amenez-nous
slippery.
des révélations pour la vie permanente.
We need
Constamment ce qu'il nous faut.
we need revelation from God for our everyday life.
Kola pambola bino.
May God bless all of
Ça
you.
veut dire kola pambola yo.
May God bless you, Mama.
Na menasa mutu te bolimbisa nga.
I'm not threatening anybody.
Nalobeka souhaiter si bona za mina ta milina bango.
I'm just talking about the social
Bato
life.
comme ovana minga banda ba na matena bentete ko na kata be église.
People are mostly using their time
Eza
on the
mabete.
internet instead of coming to the
Mais parce que
church.
sur église té.
But they are not in church anymore.
Pour ceux qui ba ye.
Because if they come,
Mona
they will see all kind of things.
tokolilo.
Goodies.
Tokos.
Tacos.
Tokos pona basala nzambe ya solo. Tokos pona pasteur na biso pi Roger yo bondela ka augmenter prière na mama Vina. Tokos pona ba homme de Dieu c'est ya Hollande a vous allez liste moulay. Mais te moi passer parce que moi na pas autre que père passer pi Roger et na passer nous madame parce que ça moulay.
I will only mention some few names because Mama Blandi come from a good church, and I will say goodies and or tacos for her pastors, and the list is long, but I'll just name a few.
Musa on de no boka nga libanga te yo boka nga te. Musa ina nzaka zo ba boka libanga mais wako ta prière. Ko ciel mu ka boka no ko boka ta prière malam. Mama ko la pambola yo. Moi cette sur l'église da biso ya Dieu vivant.
Dieu
Dieu vivant ko la pambola bino.
merci.
Ça me bandi ko nga vina. Ama vina ta ka wana. Amiga na nga dongi. Ils ont mettre l'église te ko le bisika moko. Ça le église mon gars. Il y a Dieu vivant. Ça le bon ma parole. Joyeux Noël l'église il y a Dieu vivant.
Now it's time to maybe you wanna say hello to some people, your pastor's wife and stuff like that. You have your time. You can say a last word for the ending.
Merci pour l'espace voilà.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Ok, na saluer libota nyonso ya nzambe libota mobimba.
I will say my salutation to the whole family of God,
Aussi église na ngai.
my church as well,
Nyonso tosanganaka na moment ya prière.
all those people that we pray
Dieu
with
vivant.
together,
Même au baza libanda ya Dieu vivant.
even those who are
Précisément
outside
Dieu
my
vivant.
church, Dieu est vivant.
Et puis na saluer bato nyonso bazolanda biso vraiment bolingo na nzambe wana ebatela biso.
And I really I salute everyone following this. May the love of God keep us together.
Merci vraiment beaucoup. Et na pamboli aussi bolingo na nzambe ebatela biso aussi na aigle du ciel.
And I bless God also. May the love of God always protect us with Aigle du Ciel.
Et bolingo na nzambe surtout ebatela Rotterdam mobimba bato nyonso baza na
May
kati ya
also the
Rotterdam.
love of God always protect Rotterdam and everybody inside it,
ezala na action ya
in all levels,
na kombo na masi ya Yesu.
in the name of God.
Merci.
Au nom de Jésus, to béni bino nyonso, béni ba membre de l'église du ciel,
I will bless all the members of Aigle du Ciel,
ba abonné nyonso,
all those are subscribing.
joyeux Noël.
May I wish you Merry Christmas.
Noël ndozi, joyeux anniversaire.
Merry Christmas, Noel Ndozi, and happy birthday.
Vina kolo apambola yo.
Vina, may God bless you.
Corps ya Christ, mama Gina, retour, mère Sozori na kimia, zaki passe période au passé kolo a bénir.
Mama Gina, may God bless you as well.
Kolo a béni encore une fois maman n'absent évangéliste Passy
May God bless Mama Passy
et a béni maman Chantal.
and Mama
Jean-Baptiste.
Chantal Jean-Baptiste.
kola pambola tous les hommes de Dieu na katamboka na biso ya
And
Hollande.
may God bless all the men of God, the servants of God in the world
Sans
and
oublier
in this
Bishop
country.
Blanchard kola pambola yo.
We are not forgetting Bishop Blanchard. May God bless you.
Dui
Dewey.